Now, looking at business question number 3, a manager wants to say customers and their orders and customers with no orders. So we're going to take it in the first step. Customers with orders first off, right? And also customers with no orders. So basically, this is more like a left join, all right? It's more like a left join. And we would say how, in place of a left join, you might put a right join, or in place of a right join, you might use a left join and a certain condition, okay? So here I'm going to select, So I'm going to select C dot customer ID. I'm going to select C dot first name. I'm also going to select C dot last name. I would select SO dot sales order. Do I have sales order number? The sales order number. And all these are coming from, so this is going to come from sales LT dot customer as C, and I would say left join sales LT dot sales order header as SO, and I'm joining them on SO dot customer ID is equals to C dot customer ID. Okay, so let's see what this gives us, whether it's going to give us customers with orders and also customers without orders. So I'm going to highlight all these and execute. Now, great. Now you can see what the left join does. Now, what it is returning is those customers that actually have orders and customers with no orders, right? So it looks at the customers table and then, matches it with, their corresponding sales order ID. Now, if the sales are not existing, it gives us as null, right? Gives us as null. However, if you should scroll down, you will see some customers like this particular customer that actually have a customer ID. Now, the opposite of this left join will then now be a right join, right? So if I then now copy this entire thing here and paste here, right, and paste there. Okay, so this, I need to take this off. And make this, let's say I make this a right join here and run. Now this just gives me only customers with orders. So what that means is that it looks at the customer table and looks at the sales order table and look at if they have matching records. Now, if they do have matching records, it then now returns. Now, I can still rewrite this thing to give me customers with no orders by using the left join. All I just have to do is just copy this entire thing here and then now paste here and say left join and say where SO dot sales order number is null, right? And this will give me customers with no sales, right? This will give me customers with no sales. So it is just a little difference between the right join and the left join. Great job.